Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Meta glasses from its case. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your glasses from its case. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the case. Then I usually like grabbing it from the nose bridge here in the center. And all you gotta do is pull it straight out. So when you go ahead and pull it straight out, you can see that it has like a prong here. And that's usually the reason why it's quote unquote difficult to actually go ahead and remove. And so that prong actually fits into there. But you get used to it as far as when placing the glasses back into the case, just make sure the nose bridge is aligned. And then when you want to go ahead and remove it, same thing, just remove it. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove the Meta glasses from its case. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.